Hello and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and I'll be showing you how to fix the error code on your BOSCH dishwasher. Alright guys, so the error code we're going to be looking at in today's video is the E17. Now the E17 means there is an issue with water flowing into the dishwasher. The machine isn't filling properly or quick enough, which actually stops the cycle. So that's basically what happens to your dishwasher. When water doesn't flow in, you're going to be getting a flashing notification or a stable notification of the E17 error code. Now, what are the common causes of this issue? A kinked or damaged inlet hose, a clogged inlet filter or screen, household water pressure, and that's a low household water pressure, and a faulty water inlet valve. So those are the issues that could arise and then give you the E17 error. So when you have a kinked or damaged inlet hose like this, you just have to reposition the hose, or a clogged inlet filter or screen, as well as a faulty water inlet valve like this, you would have those issues. Now, what are the steps you can take to prevent these issues? The first step is actually checking your inlet hose. So so you can simply inspect the hose at the back for kinks, bends, or damages, and then straighten it out and ensure it's not crushed. Another thing you can do is to check the inlet filters. So basically turn off water and power, disconnect the hose, remove the mesh screens, and then rinse them under running water to clear debris, and then reinstall securely. So this is a step-by-step on how you can get it done. Just simply disconnect the hose, remove the dirty mesh filter, rinse, and then reinstall. And then last but not least, checking the water pressure. So you can simply test your home's water pressure to ensure strong flow from the faucet, and then lower pressure can actually prevent proper filling. So please keep this in notes. And then last but not least, you have to reset and test. So simply unplug the dishwasher for 5 minutes to reset, then run a short cycle to check if the error clears by simply unplugging and starting a normal cycle with the water filling in properly. And then if the issue still persists, that's if the E17 error still persists, the inlet valve may actually be faulty. So contact a Bosch support or technician, and that's it. So guys, if this helped, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.